Hey there, sports card fans. We've got another break for you. Still with the select. We've got 12 more of these after this one. We got Ant-Man insert in the last one.
Who do we really want?
Well, we didn't get Halliburton yet. We didn't get LaMelo yet, but always Ant-Man. Another Olympic basketball game for the United States today, so we'll be watching that. All right, let me see. There we go. Turn those last two cards right side up, and here we go.
Andre Drummond.
Okay. Hey, look at that LaMelo Ball. I just said we didn't have one yet.
Rookie card.
Rookie.
Oh.
So that goes in a different pile.
Nice.
Okay.
Cameron Johnson.
Okay. Josh Green, rookie.
Danilo.
Danilo Gallinari.
Danilo Gallinari.
Oh no rookie. It's usually one and one. Colin Sexton.
Eric Bledsoe.
We're getting shorted on the rookies. What the heck? Aaron Naismith. Or Neesmith, I suppose.
John.
Oh, that was a rookie.
John Wall.
Rookie. Okay. Oh, wait. I screwed up the pile. Jaden McDaniels. Rookie. Thank you. All right, now we're at Premier level.
Aaron Baines.
Oh, Premier level Jaden McDaniels rookie. So two of him in one Premier level.
Anthony Davis. Unibrow.
Okay, we've got Facundo Campazzo rookie.
Pretty.
Yeah, you know, I looked up Ant-Man's Shimmer, the red, white, and orange. It only goes for about $60 or so. That's not too bad. It's a really nice
R.J. Barrett.
So I'm thinking maybe if we don't pull one, I might buy one of them. Hold on, wait a second. That was rookie.
Oh.
Okay.
Saban Lee.
Rookie. Okay, we got Paul George, and it's Shimmer and Premier level. So that's nice.
Does it go here?
Yes.
Look at Doncic.
Insert.
Number 2 in MVP, right?
Was he?
I don't think.
No, I don't remember. D'Angelo Russell, Silver Prism. Oh, and another rookie. Hey, you didn't say the name.
Oh, C.J. Ellery.
No. It's a B at the end.
Ellaby. C.J. Ellaby.
Okay, so...
I thought it was celery.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did all right with the rookies.
Yeah.
I didn't think we were... 8 rookies, 1 insert. It seems like it's standard 1 insert in these hangers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Standard 6 parallels. Cool.
Nice cards.
Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch the USA match later today.
3
and
o'clock.
Stay safe out there.